I'm currently at church, waiting for it to begin. I haven't had breakfast, so I am starving. Oh, and it's Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day, Mom. Love you. And happy Mother's Day to my grandmother, my late grandmother. Today makes 9 years since she passed away, which is crazy to think about. Good morning. Happy Monday. You're probably wondering why I'm not at work right now. So, let me tell you. Let me turn off this TV. Mom left the news on. Will not turn off the TV, but just mute it. The last 3 sets kill me.
It's technically all like pride themselves off.
And I almost put down the 10s and picked up the 8s, but then I remembered who the hell I am. And we're only doing 10s, 12s, or 15s. No 8s. Last set, last set. I'm gonna get myself a yogurt. Hello. So it's 7:34 right now. I am letting my car warm up a little bit. I need to get gas. I need to get coffee creamer. Not coffee creamer, cold foam. And I think that's it. It's a really nice day. So I initially was gonna go to the nearest gas station, but then I realized that there are grocery stores near me that also provide gas stations where you can get a little bit of money off. And since we're living in a time where gas is just crazy high, higher than ever it seems, I'm gonna take as many savings as I can get. So that original gas station is out. I'm making my way to the one near the grocery store. Looking for the cold cream, looking for the cold foam. Okay, just got home. I am going to edit my vlog, get it uploaded, and then probably start putting together this current vlog that you're watching. Put on some YouTube as background noise. I love leg day, contrary to how I may be looking. Big fan of leg day. Some people will just do you dirty. Mom wanted to go to Barnes & Noble, so we're going to Barnes & Noble. Amen. Like, nothing brings me more joy than a trip to the bookstore. Okay? Mom didn't find what she wanted, but I'm happy. I need to show you the books I got. I got book 2 in Wolves of Ruin novel. This is Fury Bound. I have Dire Bound upstairs. And then I also got book 2 in, what's this series even called? I don't know what the series is called, but I got Rites of Starling by Devney Perry. It's escaping me what the name of the series is. Those are the 2 books I picked up. Mom did not find what she was looking for. Maybe next time. I'm at Home Depot with my mom. I honestly don't know what she's looking for, so I'm just minding my own business, bumbling around. Shouldn't take this long to find a flashlight. Home Depot. Got my steps in though. Good morning. We are currently at the storage facility. We are going to do a massive purge of all the things that I do not need, and we're going to donate plenty of stuff. I am so excited. I love getting rid of things and reorganizing. Updates. We are making great progress so far. This is how things are looking with these Costco bins. Everything is marked. So we're still chugging away and saying yay or nay to certain things. Keep that. And I will show you when it's all done, what the storage now looks like. This is what we still have left to go through.
Okay, what about these shoes?
See you soon. I'm getting breakfast because we deserve a meal after all of that. Hello. It's much later on in the day. I'm sitting here watching some UFC fights, but I wanted to come on and officially end this week's vlog. I feel like it's just been all over the place of just running errands, getting things done during the week. This weekend with the purging of my storage and just reorganizing everything, it was such a productive day, which is really nice. We got everything done that we wanted to get done before noon, which is so nice because who wants to spend all day going through a ton of stuff? And it makes sense because it's spring, because it's just all about spring cleaning and purging and out with the old, in with the new, refreshing your space, even if that space is a storage unit. But Anyway, I just wanted to come on here and officially say thank you so much for watching this vlog. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in next week's video. Bye.